Where are you going?
I'm gonna go to school.
How old are you?
3.
You're 3. Are you going to kindergarten?
Yeah.
What's your teacher's name?
Mrs. Pretty.
Mrs. Pretty? Oh, you'll be such a good girl. Her name is Mrs. Dickens.
And Mrs. Pretty.
You like to call her Mrs. Pretty? That's nice. Are you excited for school?
Yeah.
What are you excited about for school?
Playing puzzles and trackers.
Yeah?
And magnifying glass.
Oh, you want to be a scientist?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Is that
Bee.
That's okay. All right. I love you, Abby.
Bee. Bee.
You say bye-bye?
Bee.
He's gone. He's gone.
She's not.
Yeah.
Look it.
Abby, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye?
Bye, Bee.
You have a good first day?
Bye, Bee. Bee.
Say bye to the camera.
Bee.
Bye. I love you.